Hi, Leo. I didn't see you sitting here. What are you doing?
Hi, Mia. I'm just relaxing for a bit before my next class. I'm listening to some music to wake myself up. It's been a long day already.
It looks like you are really enjoying it. You were tapping your foot to the beat. Is it a good song? You have a big smile on your face.
It's a fantastic song. It's a new release from one of my favorite bands, the Midnight Tides. It has such a great energy. It always puts me in a good mood.
The Midnight Tides? I love them. I have listened to all their old albums, but I didn't know they had a new song out. What is it called?
This one is called Chasing the Sunrise. It's a little different from their usual style, but I think it's one of their best. The guitar solo in the middle is incredible.
Wow, Chasing the Sunrise. That sounds like a great title. I really want to hear it now. I will have to look for it when I get home tonight.
You don't have to wait until tonight. You can listen to it right now if you want. Here, let me share my headphones with you.
Oh, really? You wouldn't mind? That is very kind of you, Leo. Thank you.
Of course not. I'm happy to share. That's the nice thing about these big over-ear headphones. They are very easy to pass to a friend. It's not like trying to share tiny earbuds.
That is so true. Sharing earbuds can be very awkward. With the wires getting tangled and everything, this is much simpler.
Exactly. Just be careful, they are a little bit loose. Make sure they fit you properly before I press play. I don't want them to fall off.
Okay, thank you for the warning. Let me just adjust them a little bit. There, that feels very comfortable. They are so soft on the ears.
Good. I'm glad they are comfortable. Are you ready? I'll start the song from the beginning so you can hear the whole thing.
Yes, I am all ready. I'm excited to hear it.
All right, here we go. I'll just watch your expression to see if you like it as much as I do.
Wow, okay. I love this intro. The beat is so catchy. It makes you want to move. No wonder you were tapping your foot. This is a great song.
I knew you would like it. Just wait until you get to the chorus. It's the best part. It's so powerful and uplifting.
The sound quality is amazing on these headphones. I can hear all the different instruments so clearly. The bass is really deep and rich.
I'm glad you noticed. That's the main reason I bought this pair. The sound is just fantastic. They're noise canceling too, so they block out all the other sounds around us.
I can tell. I can't hear anything except the music. It's like being in your own private concert. What brand are they? They must have been expensive.
They are from a brand called Aura Sound. They were a bit expensive, yes, but for me, it was a good investment. I listen to music every single day, so I wanted something that would make it a great experience.
That makes sense. If you use them a lot, it is worth it to have good quality. My cheap headphones make everything sound a little bit flat.
Exactly. With these, you can really appreciate all the hard work the musicians put into producing the song. It's a completely different experience.
Okay, the song is finished. That was incredible. Thank you so much for sharing that with me, Leo. Here are your headphones back.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed the song and the sound quality.
I really did. And you were right. Sharing these big headphones is so easy. It reminds me of how difficult it is to share the kind I usually use. I just have the small wired earbuds that came with my phone.
Oh, yeah. Sharing those can be a real challenge. You have to decide who gets the left earbud and who gets the right, and you have to sit very close together.
Exactly. And you are constantly worried that you are going to pull the earbud out of your friend's ear if you move your head too quickly. It's not very relaxing.
I know that feeling. And you only get half of the sound. If it's a stereo recording, you might miss parts of the music. It's just not the same as hearing it with both ears.
That's a good point about stereo sound. I never thought about that. I guess sharing earbuds is not a great way to listen to music properly.
It isn't ideal, but technology has some new solutions for that problem, especially if you have wireless earbuds.
Really? Like what? My next pair of headphones will probably be wireless, so I'm curious. How can you share audio with those?
Well, some phones and devices now have a feature called Share Audio. It allows you to connect two different pairs of wireless headphones to the same phone at the same time.
You can connect two pairs at once? That is so cool. So, you and a friend could both be wearing your own headphones, but listening to the exact same thing from one phone?
That's exactly right. You can both listen in full stereo, and you can even control your own volume separately. It's the perfect way to watch a movie or share a playlist with someone while traveling.
I had no idea that was possible. That is a game changer for sharing music on the bus or a train.
It's a very useful feature. It solves the problem of sitting too close or getting tangled in wires. It also solves another slightly awkward problem.
What's that?
Well, the problem of hygiene. Sharing earbuds that you put inside your ear can be a little unclean.
Oh, you are so right. I didn't want to say it, but I always feel a little strange asking to borrow someone's earbuds. You worry about germs or earwax. It's a bit gross.
It can be. It's not something you would want to do with a stranger. With a close friend, it's different, but it's still something to think about. I always clean my earbuds with an alcohol wipe regularly.
That is a very smart habit. I should start doing that too. But this share audio feature is the best solution. Everyone uses their own clean headphones. There are no awkward hygiene issues to worry about.
Exactly. It's a more polite and cleaner way to share a listening experience with someone.
Well, thank you again for sharing your song and your very clean headphones with me. I have already added Chasing the Sunrise to my main music playlist.
I'm happy to hear that. I think sharing music is one of the best ways to find new songs and artists. My friends and I recommend music to each other all the time.
It's much better than relying on algorithms from a streaming service. A recommendation from a friend is so much more personal. You trust their taste in music.
You do. You know what they like, and they know what you like. So, now that I have shared a song with you, it's your turn to recommend one to me.
Oh, the pressure. Okay, I would be happy to. I need to think of a song that you would really enjoy. You like music that is energetic and has a good guitar part.
That is a very good description of my taste. I am excited to hear what you suggest. I am always looking for new music to add to my own collection. So, do you have a recommendation for me? What song should I listen to next?
Yes, I have the perfect one for you. There is an artist called Akisha. She is a singer and a brilliant guitarist. You should listen to her song called Electric Bloom.
Akisha, and the song is Electric Bloom. I have never heard of her before. What kind of music is it?
It's a mix of rock and soul music. It has a very powerful and confident energy, just like the song you showed me. The best part is the guitar riff. It's so catchy and cool. I think you will love it.
That sounds fantastic. A mix of rock and soul with a great guitar riff. You have described my perfect song. I will definitely listen to it as soon as I get a chance.
I can send you a link to it so it's easy to find. I think you will be a big fan of her work. She is an amazing artist who deserves more attention.
Please do send me the link. Thank you so much for the recommendation, Mia. I'm already looking forward to listening to it.
You're welcome. And thank you again for letting me listen with your headphones. It was a really nice way to take a break.
I agree. It was a simple thing, but it was nice to share that moment. It's better than just sitting here alone listening by myself.
It really is. It shows that even in a world with all this new technology like share audio, sometimes just passing your headphones to a friend is a simple, kind gesture.
It is. Maybe next time we can try that share audio feature. You can bring your wireless headphones, and I can bring mine, and we can listen to a whole album together.
I would love that. We can create a shared playlist with recommendations from both of us. That would be a lot of fun.
It's a plan. Well, I should probably get going to my class now. It was great seeing you, Mia.
It was great seeing you too, Leo. Enjoy the rest of your day.